Welcome to the annual summary review on the housing market in Santa Clara County. In 2020, due to the pandemic caused by COVID-19, there has been a couple of shutdowns along with work from home. Due to a combination of low inventory, low interest rates, and high demand, home prices have continued to surge. So let's take a look at the numbers. On the single-family home side, number of sales jumped up to 9,207 by 246 units, or 2.71%. Median prices have rose to 1.380 for an increase of 9.25%, and average have jumped up to 1.686 for an increase of 8.92%. Sales to list price ratio maintained at a healthy 102.7%. On the condo side, number of sales jumped up to 3,578 for an increase of 0.67%. On the flip side, median prices have dropped down to 811K or 2.07%, while the average price dipped by 0.67%. Sales to list price ratio still at a positive 100.5%. On the single family home side, the most number of sales was in San Jose at 4,629. The highest average and median prices was in Los Altos Hills at 4.185 and 4.921, while the lowest was in Gilroy at 850K and 966K. Besides East Palo Alto, Los Altos Hills, and Los Gatos, sales price to list price ratio have been above 100%. On the condo side, the number of sales in San Jose hit 1974, with the highest average and median price also in Los Altos at 1.692 and 1.653. The lowest was also in Gilroy at 500K and 511K. Besides Los Gatos, sales to list price ratio is above 100%. And that's the end of the summary review. DM me for any questions. Thanks for watching.